Let's do a quick comparison between Nespresso Virtue and my recently bought espresso machine, which can make 2 cups of coffee at a time. Let's see first how Nespresso Virtue works. You can make single and double espresso with this machine. It is compatible with Nespresso Virtue capsules, which comes in different flavors. It is easy and convenient to use. There is one-touch brewing system where you can easily install the pod without any hustle. These pods are fully recyclable. I also got this frother from Nespresso, so when I start brewing my coffee, I also start my frother. So by the time my coffee is ready, my milk is also creamy or frothy to be added in my coffee. You can make dark and intense to mild and smooth coffee from these pods and Nespresso machine. Machine is really slim fit, only 5.5 inches wide and most compact. It is so stylish that it makes my coffee bar looks cute. I also love the fact that it dispenses the pod itself into the removable bin, which you can conveniently wash later. You need to buy this frother separately, or you can buy a combo of a frother and this Nespresso machine. Nespresso Virtue machines are only compatible with Nespresso Virtue capsules. Now let's have a look at my other Nespresso machine and let's see how it works. It has a 20 bar professional pump and 1050 pressure extraction system. The water tank is easily refillable. It is 1.5 liter tank. You can easily extract it. There's a small handle to carry the tank, and you can easily close the lid if you don't want to extract it and fill it while still at place, so that you can make multiple cups without needing to refill the tank. Machine has a bright LCD screen and there's a warmer tray at the top. Warm your cup. It comes with a removable drip tray. This handle here is where your sieve for the coffee is gonna go. There are 2 different sizes of sieve, 1 cup and 2 cup. I'm using 1 cup sieve, so I'm gonna show you how you make a single cup of espresso with this machine. I'm using the scoop which came with it. At the back of the scoop there is a press disc which can be used to press down the coffee grounds. The ground should not exceed the dot. Now time to place this handle back. There is clear demarcation for lock and unlock. You need a little bit of force to push this handle to the middle of the machine. Now it's thoroughly locked. Now I'm gonna start the coffee machine. When the light is blinking, it means it's preheating. Once the blinking light turned into a solid line, then it's ready to be used. I'm using 1 cup button. Now in a few minutes you will see the coffee will start brewing. When I just want an easy cup of espresso, this machine gets the job done. You can also make 2 cups at one time with the help of the 2 cup sieve. Now let's have a look at how to use the frother. It comes with a easy to use frother at the side. Just like the coffee machine, when the frother light is blinking, it means the frother is preheating. Once the light turns into a solid line, that means the frother is ready to be used. First, don't start the frother and then submerge it into the milk. It will spill. So first close the frother and then submerge your frother limp inside the cup, and then you can start the frother. Now you can see that it's a solid light. I'm gonna submerge my frother limb inside the milk, and then I'm gonna start the frother to avoid any mess. Once the frother is completely inside the milk, you can now rotate the stream control knob, and then you can enjoy these milk foam inside your espresso coffee. To turn it into a restaurant style fancy cup of coffee, the limb of the frother is removable and you can wash it after every use.